When I started out on my journey, I did ask similar questions. Little did I know, that question is nonsense. So what you're seeking is not really an answer. What you're actually first seeking is the right question. And if you're seeking which chart is best, you haven't found the right question yet. Welcome to today's video. I get a lot of common questions, and one of them is, what's the best chart setup? What's the best time frame to trade on? And I understand the question because when I started out on my journey, I did ask similar questions, maybe even exactly that same question. Little did I know, that question is nonsense. Because the answer is, it depends. Well, what does it depend on? Well, it depends what you're trying to accomplish. It depends on your trading strategy. Really what it depends on, the question here really is, what is it you want to achieve? You know for whom the 1 minute chart is the best chart? For the person who wants to see a price movement summary of the last 1 minute. Because that's really what a 1 minute chart is. Do you want to only see the closes, so you're looking at the line chart, or do you want to see the highs and the lows, the open, the close, right? Do you want the summary of the last 1 minute? Then the 1 minute chart is what you should be looking at. Do you want the summary of the last 5 minutes? Then the 5 minute chart is what you'd be looking at. Do you want the summary of the last 10 ticks that have been traded? Well, then something like a 10 tick range chart or a 10 tick Ranko chart or maybe a 10 tick reversal chart should be what you'd be looking at, right? And within those, there's also differences. So the question, rather than asking a silly question like, which chart should I be trading on? What is the best, right? Again, looking for the Holy Grail. If you think there's a Holy Grail, go look at this video where I actually reveal the real secret of trading. The real question you should ask yourself is, what kind of information do I need to see in the market to execute that which I want to execute? And really not knowing that really shows me that you have no idea about your strategy, about what you're actually doing in the market. Maybe you don't even understand what trading is. If you really don't, go to that video where I reveal the secret of trading. And after you're done with that, go to this video where I actually cover how to build a trading strategy. One that can actually perform for you. So really the question is, if you do have a trading strategy, if you do have a concept, a narrative that you want to execute on the market to play out probability, then ask yourself, to play out this narrative, what is the information that I need to gain? Do I need to understand the summary of the last 1 minute? Do I need to understand the summary of the last 5,000 trades that were placed? Do I need to understand the summary of the last 10 ticks that were moved? What is it I need to know? And then I will know exactly which chart to jump on. The same goes for indicators. What indicator do you need? You need the indicator that gives you the information you are looking for. If you don't know what information you're looking for, any indicator in the world, may it be the best one, won't do you any good. Because you have no idea what you're looking for. So really, you have to figure out first what it is you need to know from the market. And once you figure out what you need to know from the market, then the answer to which chart you should use or which indicator you should use will be a very easy answer. So what you're seeking is not really an answer. what you're actually first seeking is the right question. And if you're seeking which chart is best, you haven't found the right question yet. So make sure you ask yourself the right questions. If you're uncertain which questions to ask yourself, you may be uncertain about what trading even is. Go to my video where I cover the secret of trading. Go into the description and sign up for my free course where I teach you A to Z of what it means to become a consistently profitable trader. I lay it out all there. I lay it out in all my videos on this channel. Subscribe. Get involved into this community. Then you will know which question it is you're actually wanting to ask. And then you'll stop asking silly questions like, which one is the best chart? Which one is the best indicator? I don't mean to offend anyone with that, but it is a silly question. And if you don't understand that that's a silly question, you have landed on the right channel. Because here we're actually building a community of real traders. Here we're actually teaching you what it means to become a trader. So welcome. This channel is for you. Go check out all my other videos. I hope this made sense. And it's time for you now to start asking the real questions. And I'll see you in the next video.